There is nothing like the smell of freshly baked bread, and it smells amazing in the canteen this morning. We're just a couple of days away from March break. Why not give the kids a set of duties in the kitchen and make some fresh homemade focaccia? Here to show us how is Chef Paul Lillakas. Paul, thanks for joining us again.
Always great to be here.
Focaccia, one of my favorite foods on the planet.
And so easy to make.
Yes.
You can make it with kids this March break. And you can teach them a little bit about local Ontario farming. Use local Ontario bread flour to make it.
Yeah.
And get them involved. What I love about this recipe is it doesn't take a whole lot of practice.
Simple ingredients, simple rules.
That's right.
Okay, where do we start?
Okay, so it just starts with a simple mixture of water, instant yeast, honey, salt, olive oil, and local Ontario bread flour. And you mix it. I mixed it with the back of a wooden spoon. It kind of looks like a thick pancake batter, but that's right. Don't worry about that.
You're off to a good start.
Yeah, and then what you're gonna do, instead of kneading like a traditional dough, turning it out, which is a lot of work, we're gonna perform what are called stretch and folds. I like to use a silicone spatula to keep the hands clean.
Right.
You don't waste any dough, and it's good for kids. So we're strengthening the gluten by lifting that dough, okay? You can see, I've already stretched and folded this a few times.
Yeah.
It's got really good stretch to it. That means the gluten has developed. That means it will trap those bubbles, make nice airy bread.
So you're trying to stretch the whole thing?
The whole thing up. It doesn't have to be perfect. Slap it down, okay?
Nice.
And then scoop it again, turn the bowl, and stretch it again. See, it doesn't have to be perfect. There's nothing to this. You just want it to start really having structure. You see it pulls up, slap it down.
So how long do you do this for?
For 10, we do it every 10 minutes for 40 minutes. So 4 times, and then I cover it with plastic wrap, and I take it to the fridge. And then I leave that overnight, okay? And then what you end up with is a little bit of a fermented dough. I'm gonna pull this off here. And then into an oiled pan. I have a Detroit-style pizza pan. You could just use a glass casserole, but the important thing is it's very nicely oiled, okay? You see it's risen, it's got big bubbles. I'm using a scraper here. You could use that same spatula, and I'm just scraping it out right into the pan. And it's just a blob right now. We're gonna give it one fold, just like that, maybe on the side here, just to give it a little more structure. Okay, and then make it into a square. Make sure it's got oil on top. And then we're gonna leave that to rise for, it depends how warm your house is, maybe 2, maybe 3 hours, until it looks like this. And here,
now we're talking.
This, we have nice, you can tell, it's full of air. Okay, so all we wanna do is drizzle with a little bit of olive oil on top. And then get your hands oily, and now we're going to do the fun part. You can get your kids to do this. It's dimpling the dough. This is the really fun part. 1, 2, 3, 4.
And so what does this do?
This distributes the air, gives it those nice air pockets, those bubbles at the top that are indicative of a good focaccia. Now, a little bit of flaky sea salt on top.
We got 90 seconds, by the way. Lots of time.
Into the oven for about 25 minutes at 400, and look at, you get this absolutely beautiful, airy loaf, and now we can play sandwich shop. Okay, so I've cut one of these loaves into 6 pieces, and now I'm going to cut those.
And you can see the bubbles in the dough.
It's so airy. I baked this one right before you came in, so this is soft. It's got a beautiful crispy bottom.
Love it.
And now, let's see, what do we want? A little bit of mortadella.
You put anything, I'm eating it.
Okay, I'm going to put some pesto.
Yes.
Actually, do you want to put some of that roasted red pepper?
Okay, let's do it.
Put that on the bottom. So that's just a roasted red pepper spread. And then maybe some soft mozzarella.
Oh, little mozzarella?
Yes, we're doing like Italian deli style. We're gonna just layer that on.
We got 40 seconds.
Some mortadella.
Wow, this looks good already.
And then maybe some baby arugula right on there.
Okay, let's plop that on there.
Okay.
Blow him out.
There you go. Top on.
Okay.
And that's it.
Paul, I'm going in. We got 30 seconds.
Go in. You try that. I'll give you a fun fact. Did you know that Ontario wheat, a lot of it is winter wheat? It's planted in the fall and it's grown in the spring and summer and then harvested at the end of summer.
Really? That is delicious.
Isn't it? And you could do whatever toppings you want. If it's little kids, they often just want a slice with butter.
Amazing. Chef Paul, thanks for joining us today.
Thank you.
Bake your fresh focaccia today. Thanks for watching Morning Live. More coming up next.